the stage was 9.7 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is forecast to rise above flood stage this morning and crest near 10.3 feet by this afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by this evening. At 10.0 feet, Ogwick Creek at Sterlingsburg exceeds its bank. Several homes are affected. State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flood warning for the Little Julietta River at Spruce Creek until late tonight, or until the warning is canceled. At 3 a.m. Friday, the stage was 7.8 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast with a crest this afternoon around 9.3 feet. At 10.0 feet, homes are affected on both banks. Several roads are also affected, including Route 45.